Create a killer email marketing campaign.
In the world of digital marketing, email marketing is not dead. As a matter of fact, it's still a powerful tool to connect with your customers. If executed correctly, email marketing can convert leads into sales, boost customer loyalty, and drive traffic to your website. Here are some tips to help you create a killer email marketing campaign in 2023.
First, make sure your email list is clean and organized.
People change their email addresses often, and sending emails to inactive or non-existent accounts will negatively impact your email deliverability rate. Second, personalize your emails. Generic emails don't cut it anymore. Use the recipient's name, location, interests, and past purchases to tailor the email's content. Third, focus on the subject line. A catchy subject line is the key to getting the recipient's attention. Make sure your subject line is relevant and exciting and instills a sense of urgency. Fourth, use a responsive email design. More people are opening their emails on their mobile devices, and your email must be optimized for all devices. Fifth, include a clear call to action. Emails without a clear call to action won't drive results. Your CTA must be visible, relevant, and easy to follow. Lastly, track and analyze your results. You need to know which emails were opened, clicked, and converted into sales. This data will help you refine and improve future email campaigns. In conclusion, the key to successful email marketing is personalization, relevance, and value. If you follow the tips outlined here, you'll be well on your way to creating a killer email marketing campaign in 2023. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends for more marketing tips and tricks. If you want to learn more about email marketing, click on the link in the description.